In this video, I'm connecting OpenClaw to 3 exchanges, so you can automate trading across all of them at once. And look, this is actually insane. While most traders are manually placing trades on one platform, you'll be running strategies on multiple exchanges simultaneously, testing which one gives you the best execution and stacking bonuses from all 3. This is next level automation, so stick around because I'm showing you exactly how to set this up step by step. Let's get started. Alright, so before we dive into the technical setup, let me explain why connecting multiple exchanges to OpenClaw is so powerful. Here's the thing, different exchanges have different liquidity, different trading pairs, and different fee structures. By connecting OpenClaw to multiple exchanges, you can run the same strategy across different platforms and see which performs better. Access coins that might only be listed on one exchange. You can also take advantage of different bonus structures and lower fees. Plus, you can diversify your risk across multiple platforms. And the best part, OpenClaw can manage all of this automatically. You set it up once and it handles everything. Now let me show you exactly how to do this. All right, let's start with Bybit, one of the largest and most popular crypto exchanges. If you don't have a Bybit account yet, click the link in the description. If you signed up with my link, you can claim bonuses just for depositing and trading. Check the rewards hub in your account. There's up to 30,000 USDT available, plus other rewards for completing KYC and hitting trading volume milestones. Step 1 is creating and logging into your Bybit account. After that, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select API. On the upper right corner, you'll see a button that says Create New Key. Click on it. Now, here's where Bybit is a bit different. You'll see 2 options, system-generated and self-generated API keys. System-generated API keys means Bybit generates both keys for you. Simple and secure. Self-generated API keys. This just means that you can create the keys yourself and only share the public key with Bybit. For most users, I recommend choosing system-generated API keys if you're just beginning. It's simpler and works perfectly for OpenClaw. Next, you'll see 2 options for API key usage. Third-party application is better if you have other third-party applications. You can choose this and select your application from the list. But since we'll be using OpenClaw, choose API transaction. When you scroll down, you can choose your API name. I recommend something like OpenClaw Bybit Trading, so you can easily determine which API keys you're looking if you have plenty. Next is API key permissions. Now, you want to choose read and write in order to do order execution on your exchange. Next, you'll see whitelist of IP. You have 2 options here. Dedicated IP. This means the API can only be accessed from a specific IP address, no IP restriction. This means it can be accessed from any IP connection. For most users, I recommend no IP restriction for flexibility, especially if you're accessing OpenClaw from different locations. But if you want extra security and you have a static IP, you can add it here. You can add up to 100 IP addresses. Now, when you scroll down, you'll see detailed permissions. This is crucial. You only want your AI agent to trade and not to withdraw funds or do anything else. To do this, only enable orders for placing and managing trades. Positions for managing open positions. USDC derivatives trading, if you're trading USDC pairs. Spot trade, if you want to trade spot markets. You could check other permissions as well, but since we'll be trading on futures, only enable these. When you scroll down to Asset, make sure that Withdrawal is disabled. This is critical to protect your funds from going out of your account. Once you've checked all the things you need, click on Submit. You'll be asked to verify your identity through email verification and 2-factor authentication. After verification, you'll see a confirmation page with API name, API key, API secret key, and permission summary. You'll see a copy button beside each key. Copy them and save them securely. This will be shown only once, so if you forget it, you'll have to create a new key. You can manage and edit restrictions on your API keys in the API key management section. You can also create a sub-account dedicated for your AI agent on Bybit. To do this, click on your profile and click on Switch/Create Account. A pop-up will appear. Enter the name for the sub-account, something like OpenClaw AI Agent. Choose Unified Trading Account as the account type. You can require a password for login if you want extra security. Once everything is correct, click on Confirm. Then repeat the API creation steps for this sub-account. All right, now let's connect to MEXC. The process is very similar, but MEXC has some unique features. If you don't have a MEXC account yet, click the link in the description. You'll get a 10 USDT voucher just for signing up a new account. Another 10 USDT voucher when you download and complete login on the MEXC app. On top of that, you get 870 USDT in new user rewards, including futures bonuses, position airdrops, and vouchers. Step 1 is to create a sub account. I recommend creating a sub account first for your OpenClaw AI agent. Click on your profile and then click on Sub Account Management. In the middle upper right corner, you'll see Create Sub Account. Click on it. You'll see two options: API only. This restricts the sub account to API trading only. Standard account, which allows you to trade manually on the sub account. For this example, we'll choose API only since we're using OpenClaw. Click on Next Step. Choose a username for this sub account and add any remarks you want, like OpenClaw Trading. MEXC will send a security verification code to your email or phone. Enter the code and click Submit. You'll now see your sub account on the dashboard. On the same dashboard, click on the API section. You'll see a sub account drop-down menu. Click on it and select the sub account you just created. Now you'll see checkboxes for different permissions. I would recommend enabling only trading options and nothing else. Trade for spot, if you want spot trading. Order placing for futures trading. View order details, optional but useful. Anything with withdrawal or transfer, keep those unchecked. This protects your funds. You can add some notes here for your reference, and you can also link specific IP addresses if you want extra security. Once everything is correct, click Create. You'll see a security verification pop up again. Enter the code. You'll now see access key, which is your API key, and secret key just below it. Copy both using the copy button, then click Confirm. Once you have it, you can see it on the API dashboard, ready to be connected. Now let's connect to Blofin. If you don't have a Blofin account yet, click the link in the description below. If you signed up with my link in the description, you can claim up to 5,000 USDT in bonuses just for using the platform. You get vouchers for signing up and completing trades, so definitely check that out. Before we create API keys, I highly recommend creating a dedicated sub-account for your OpenClaw AI agent. This keeps your automated trading separate from your manual trading. To do this, click on your profile and then click on Sub-Account. You'll see the Sub-Account Management dashboard. Now you can create a new sub-account specifically for OpenClaw. Now, whether you're using your main account or a sub-account, go to your account settings and click on API. Click on Create New API Key in the upper right corner. You'll see your application name field. Give it a name like OpenClaw Trading. Here's the crucial part. You need to set the right permissions. Here's the smart way to set this up. Enable trading permissions, but leave withdrawal permissions disabled. That way, even if something goes wrong, your funds can't be withdrawn. Click Next, and you'll see your API key, your secret key, and possibly a passphrase depending on the settings. Copy these and save them somewhere safe, like a password manager. You'll only see the secret key once, so make sure you save it now. All right, now that you have all your API keys from Bybit, MEXC, and Blofin, let's connect them all to OpenClaw. Open up OpenClaw and you're going to give it prompts to connect to each exchange. I want you to connect to my account using these API and secret key credentials. Once done, check my account balance so I can see that you truly have access to my account. And just like that, OpenClaw is now connected to all 3 exchanges and ready to trade across all of them. Look, I need to be completely honest with you about security. API keys are extremely powerful. If someone gets access to your API keys, they can control your trading account. Here's what you need to do. 1. Never share your API keys with anyone. 2. Always disable withdrawal permissions on your API keys. 3. Use sub-accounts to isolate your automated trading. 4. Store your keys securely in a password manager. 5. Regularly review your API activity in your exchange settings. If you ever suspect your API keys have been compromised, delete them immediately and create new ones. Do keep in mind, OpenClaw is a powerful tool, but you need to use it responsibly. And that's it, guys. That's how you connect OpenClaw to multiple exchanges and start automating your trading across different platforms. If you want to get started and claim those bonuses like up to 30,000 on Bybit, 10,000 USDT on MEXC, and 5,000 in bonuses on Blofin, click the links in the description below. Remember, these bonuses are only available if you sign up through my links. If you want more details on how OpenClaw, Bybit, MEXC, and Blofin works. Check out the videos popping on screen right now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.